And Mitchell Antalis on behalf of defendant Haringa Compressor Inc.
All right, welcome to you both. We're here for a trial setting conference in this case. I went back and looked at your joint report, and I know things can change a lot in between the time you file that and when we're getting ready to set trial. So I wanted to just start by confirming that the parties have completed your disclosure and discovery and that you have participated in mediation or ADR in the case.
Your Honor, we have reached a settlement which has been
Oh,
negotiated over this past several months, and the agreement is not executed as of today. It's in final form, and I believe Mr. Antalis' client is putting together an exhibit which will be part of that. Mitchell, do you want to add anything to that?
No, agreed, Your Honor. We're a settlement and everything. I think but signatures, we need to put the final form together. For purpose of today, we'll leave it with however you want to handle that, but it might be best just to push everything 30 days and wait for a notice of settlement.
okay. And so that was my question. So you haven't filed a notice of settlement, but normally what I do when I get a notice of settlement is place the case on the dismissal calendar for a period of time to give you time to submit a stipulation to dismiss with prejudice once you've got final documents executed. Can I go ahead and do that now? Or are you concerned that it might fall through for any reason?
No, Your Honor, I think you could do that just so you know. The settlement will require a period of time that actions need to be taken. So I think regardless, we'll need to be on the dismissal calendar for maybe like 6 months to make sure that the actions are carried out. But if you want to put it on today for like 30 days, wait for the notice of settlement, and then we can file something requesting to be extended for however long it takes to execute the settlement provisions, that's fine by me.
Your Honor, would be in concur with that. The settlement agreement requires performance over a period.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to, I don't want to have to cause you to file things unnecessarily. In other words, if I can save you time and money, then I'd like to do that. So what I could do is go ahead and note on the record that the parties have a settlement that they're in the process of finalizing and have indicated that part of the terms of the settlement require performance over a period of time and have requested that the court place the case on the inactive calendar for an extended period of 180 days. I can put that in place now and just set it out for 180 days. And if you need more time once the settlement is in place, then all you'd need to do is file a motion to extend on the dismissal calendar. But at least if I give you enough time now, hopefully that'll avoid you needing to do that.
Your Honor, the plaintiff would be agreeable to that solution. I think that would work very well with the way the agreement is put together.
And yeah, Your Honor, that works for us as well. My only question would be, if we do that, do you still want us to file a formal notice of settlement when it's signed or not?
I don't think you need to, because you're telling me that you have an agreement. And so that's what I'm trying to save you from filing fees and time to file things. So what I will do is it will be noted that you have notified me that you've reached a settlement and in my minute entry from today, so that you don't have to file a notice of settlement. If I put it on the dismissal calendar for 180 days, that would take you through January 27th of 2027. Is that enough time?
I think that would be sufficient, Your Honor.
Agreed,
Okay.
Your Honor.
And as I said, it's not going to be dismissed unless we just don't hear anything before the deadline, by or before the deadline. So if you do need more time, all you need to do is file a motion to extend and let me know how much more time and why, and I'll grant that. But for now, I will go ahead and place this case on the dismissal calendar for an extended period of 180 days until January 27th, 2027, for dismissal if the parties do not file a stipulation to dismiss with prejudice or a motion requesting to extend the case on the dismissal calendar for good cause on or before that date. Anything else that we need to talk about today?
Not from our perspective, Your Honor.
No, Your
right,
Honor.
well,
Appreciate your time.
Well, congratulations on getting the case resolved and thank you both. Well, have a nice day. We are off the record.
Thank you, Your Honor. We appreciate it.
You.